Preacher Catalyst, the old firewood, the Akara war, aka the lion killer. You can come in this seven, I got one of MMA. Congratulations to Your Excellency, Comrade Philip Shaibu, and all the people of PDP. Congratulations for your victory in court today. Okay, I want to advise some people like this guy. I want to list it to our first. Man, I list it to the guy. When they talk, if you see the way they blast, will not be smart. You wanna listen to the guy first.
We do life. Tell you carry this man, Mondo go stand for roads because the Mondo not get see of his own. Yes, of course. Now waiting, he tell Nigerians say, now waiting the leaders tell him, now he go follow. You understand? So now anything they tell them they do, you not even get say of your own. You don't know what you want to say as a governorship candidate. Go stand for road, open belly down, a woman get 9 months. They need to call her fast. Oh yeah, come, this now everything you campaign with. They go stand. Forget say rain. When rain they fall for every man roof. Yes, you forget. Yesterday for a year for Lagos, that an APC controlled states. The APC they control that state for long now. And the first federal capital territory down of Nigeria as a continent, the Lagos State. Where rain fall there. I see some of the videos in them. Where did rain fall? Man, you see, go park your car door, that your Jeep there, make it take leg cross. So. As you sabi park your car, they take leg cross.
Now, don't listen to the guy. Now, see, now, not saying that PDP, all these Obaseki people, now they insult person pass, but if they throw one bomb, give them one, go bless it, they want to commit suicide, they want die you, hey, bomb, what happen? Now, I'm gonna listen. If they pay me, say, now they use Lagos till they compare Benin. Anybody where they use Lagos floor till they compare Benin, that person are idiots. When they use Lagos floor till they compare Benin city, now I don't get sense. Now look, now be idiots. People, I don't know say that Lagos, that Lekki one they talk. Now they hear the Lekki leak. That place na river. You know, people river na sea. People can go use their money, buy land there. They can fill the land, fill and drive sea, go far. Now wow. No. Una mumu na we de PDP wona te mumu. No be all of na some of na man I can the vet na say I just took one bullet give na. Some of na we de PDP na no don't even get sense. Person wey go buy land for river, he can't feed the river. Drive the river, go front small. If the river where drive, go front small full, what it go happen? Not be what I define. You think they tell you say people are dead, they lucky, they don't know say that they use their hand, what it happen to them. We they talk about Benin City, we no get gutter. Okay, now they talk say we get gutter now. You where they talk so, go governor street, he own personal house, go video whether you go see gutter for that place. If rain fall, na so rain they food that place, no gutter to flow out. We see solution, we they see solution where we say we go take governor, say governor do this thing, make this road for good. Una know they talk, now they say erosion they dey everywhere, Una they compare the erosion, the way the water take clean for abroad, the way they show abroad video, the way water take clean for abroad, now so Benin they clean. Guys to tell you say everything, the drainage, everything is bad. See, there's difference between erosion there, but the road is motorable. You no go fit carry person, you no go swallow person, you no go carry anybody. Thank you. But una go just come, una know wetin right, na no go want talk am. Na one go dey make na for tell us now say if though erosion carry people ask me the bear am, where government supposed put gutter, where government supposed do road. All those lucky one una dey talk so, they don't tell una say they do road. Gutter dey, they do road, they tie am. Now they go build house near sea. So if the river overflow, if they come their side, they don't need to complain because now they make up their mind say they want to go buy house there. We where they Benin City will not go buy house for Ikpoba River. No be Popa River we build reach. Where be say rain go fall for government house. Even the government house coco. If rain fall, flood don't full there. Who see there that government house? Tell me any vicinity for Edo State, any place, any local government for Edo State we know they get flood. We no get flood. So the whole America and I flood they carry like you na head. No, na the whole America and I flood they carry. No, na man can go show us people where buy land for where the house they. Okay, we all know what it happen. One time we be say river overflow. People their house they near river. The thing called the flow come the house and all that because of rain and all that is. So now one can use that kind to take compare people where there those states we will not buy land near river. Ma tell na PDP now don't lose this election. Yes, this election. That God saying that they don't fight fire on our God now. Say he don't lose for court now today now. That means PDP have no governorship candidate as speak right now. No governorship candidate. So I know so now I want to go take a P Supreme. When are this Supreme now meet Tinubu here? Tinubu they wait for now for that place. See, truth not us more no talk. Obaseki don't use his hand destroy PDP. He bring them down. How you go drive people where give you where rent as give this thing when they talk so if let's see some of them don't know the evil way Obaseki do because they correct them. If they correct them, anybody will correct them, they say because Obaseki did not share public for which public for Obaseki get money. I don't see how many times na wallet they carry. How much the day inside the wallet? €50 and $50, and then they go put 10,000 naira. If they even buy something, they collect change. As Obaseki even stingy rich now, more talk about his stinginess. Obaseki if he reach where people dey now, they go like, your excellency sir, excellency sir. He go see buy something there, he go see take share. He go dey wait me we go pay for him as governor. He know they do sarao. Say, oh, how now then I give everybody how take care of this bill. No, I know say as I talk now all of now defense say okay now because say not give this no, this life no dey stingy, no dey stingy. If you see people, show them love. Show them love, street credibility. Obaseki no get and pretend the day. All of them way they support PDP. I am gonna go Abuja go they drag the case. Mona go no, Mona go Abuja now. Mona go follow Tinubu fight. He said Tinubu we will insult last time. Mona go follow and fight if they're not giving a woto. It toa. Nonsense. Lagos people they lucky now they go build house near river. Mona no show all those videos. Those people where they are abroad, now they still go build us near river. So now they get contracts if rain fall. Now they know how to take the do one. No be we where they dry land, we they here. Because governor no do road, governor no do gutter. Okay now, okay, all those places where erosion they gather now. Make una go there now, una go show us gutter where governor do for there way now say the gutter na there na the rain cut to over much na make floor come dey or see the road though the road is wet tie road where they no even tie road no get gutter now they come and they defend PDP more than they get shame. I don't want to call PDP me no be like say they carry some people wey good for inside the matter join now this one where they sing wey career don die many years ago. We even come for talk bad that I will call it say oh maybe it gets sense. We don't say no even get sense. This one we don't say no get sense. See what you they carry mat they talk you don't travel one can go 1 or 2 places. Don't try me you wake up because this nonsense is not over now. Nah. You need to look for another person who will pay you. You understand? Because PDP is gone. You understand? That's what I'm saying now. When I not say me no they fight to lose. Me I they see truth. Where truth they and then mean they stand. Even though say this thing no work out. Now we have truth today, now they talk. So Okpeboro did the right thing by exposing the flood, the erosion, the incompetence of the government of Edo State. No such bit of ridiculous nonsense. If I talk some of now say, Kassy, your state. Why you know they talk about your state? Why you know talk about Boy State? My brother, my state fine pass a Boy State. My state a Boy State fine pass Edo State 10,000 times. In the night now street. Wait, as I talk now, you play the video, maybe they say in the night. I think it's a night be this so. This one on my street. In the night, light there everywhere fine. Rain they follow, as I talk to you, I just say rain they fall. You see erosion, not be gutter you see for every corner like this. Nonsense. If I hear you fame again, I'll come for you. and just go beat up ridiculous nonsense. When I go follow us when they cry for us, say, oh, they don't fire you. But Obaseki return us when money. Okay, now so I need to balance Obaseki because they say na bank they do transfer, come on for that farm scam or those kind of so I'm gonna go do. Now the year I talk, me not stress me for erosion matter. Erosion, Edo State has failed. Nonsense.